Are you currently struggling to sign into the partner's account for booking? Let me walk you through how to quickly sign into your partner's account on booking.com. So guys, all you have to do, you want to ensure that you sign in currently to your booking.com account. Go to the list your property on the upper right hand side and click on that, and it's going to take you over to where it says register. It will also show you to continue your registration if you already started that. From here, you can just simply go ahead and just click off here. And if you look towards the upper right, it will give you an option to sign in. If you're already a partner, just go ahead and choose sign in. Now at the top there, you can just quickly go ahead and enter your email address and click on next. And you can enter your password that you have created for the partner's account. Then click and sign in. Once you do that, it's going to show you a welcome message. And from here, it's going to show you if you have, for example, any listing that you already started or whatever. Or you can just simply go ahead and just click off, and it's going to show you that you're in your account. Now, once you sign in, guys, you can quickly go to your profile, or let's say your account, by simply clicking the account profile on the upper right hand side. And here you can go ahead and you can choose, for example, view my properties, and you can just click there. Once you do that, it's going to take you more into the home dashboard, where you can go to like your group home dashboard. You can see reservations, review, finances, bulk editing, and so forth. You'll also find your properties as well that you have there. Scroll down a bit more, you'll have how you will find things such as your operations, your performance, your settings. And under the operations section, you can find reservations, arrivals, departures, cancellations, and so forth. It's going to give you quite a lot of information here. Let's think of it as your application that you're using for booking to manage your apartments that you have received, let's say, offers for. You'll receive. Take it in mind that this is the application that you'll be using to manage your guests when they book your hotel, or you book your apartment or your Airbnb apartments, whatever you have, whatever properties that you have listed and booking, you'll be able to manage those with this application here that booking provides. This is your admin portal. Let's consider it like that, and so you can manage all your bookings and your reservations from this application. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and you sign in to your booking admin portal, or let's say your partner's account for booking.com.